a bug in our house! We have a bug with long hair! Another wrong bug!
Good morning! Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another video. Today we are progressing with this room. We have problems here.
Yeah, you already saw the previous vlog. We told you we're gonna have a surprise for you coming up.
This is gonna fall. My fingers hurt from yesterday from today. We have to clean up all these woods. Whoop out.
Whoop, whoop, like this, like this.
We have to vacuum clean, we have to put in a window, we have to clean the walls.
I have to clean up those walls.
So much work to do, so little time. Gonna rain today, thunderstorms, and we have 31 degrees here. It makes it pretty hot for working. But yeah, let's get going. Let's start.
Start with what? Today's one of those days when I don't want to do anything.
Let's start with the easiest one. Okay?
Yeah, I want to do this. Okay, you deserve to do it because you did all the ceiling yesterday.
Yeah.
Okay, go. Like, we straight away start with fun things in this vlog.
Oh. Well, you can see that wall is no good. You cannot leave that up.
Why? Oh, that's like that looks like the bugs from that eat the wood. Can you make it epic, please?
Sad bug.
Like all down. Not like this, just pull it from up down.
Hey.
Thank you. That's what we want to see.
Wait. Come on.
There you go.
Look at that brick, that's nicer. That's like completely different brick.
Yeah.
It's not done long way, it's done the short way. Or it's another style of brick completely.
Let me come to this side.
That's sad to be covering up now though, with the wood. Oh my god.
So it goes
I'm
around
not
like...
even putting power.
No, I see it.
That's like the easiest wall removal we have had.
Oh, yeah.
Oh! Do you see that?
Yeah, I see it. I was not... Look at this.
Oh my god.
Wait. Look at this. Okay, I pull it out with my hands.
Let's do this one, but there is something revealing.
What? Oh, I see what's revealing. Revealing. Let's see what's revealing to willing.
I'm getting excited.
That's like... That's like the easy. And I wanted to leave this one for my mom, so she can also have some fun.
This is too easy for them. This is too fun for us.
Yeah.
We have to enjoy this.
But I let David enjoy it.
You want to enjoy it as well a bit? Because it's super satisfying.
Okay.
Let's see, you can enjoy it now.
Thank you.
This is way too satisfying. Hope I left you some easy ones.
Look at this. Comes out like parts. Oh, this brick though.
These are old bricks though. These are not red bricks, Baba. Well, I don't think we want to destroy this wall. Like, cover this wall up.
Yeah.
We have to think another wall to be wood. Maybe the kitchen we do wood. Oh yeah, the kitchen wall maybe would be cool wood.
We actually wanted to cover up all of this with this old wood that we have on this old barn housing. Wanted to cover it all up to be wood. But I don't think we're doing that anymore.
That looks way too cool, yeah.
We didn't know that it's gonna come off at all. Look at this.
Go.
I'm doing it with one hand and this tool is heavy.
Oh shit.
Oh. Run.
You don't even have gloves to see. Okay, come here, do this one. I want to see what's revealing here. Do you see that secret door?
I see this.
Oh, I thought that's concrete.
That's what I thought. I mean, I thought it comes off pretty easy.
That is gonna look so cool. That's concrete maybe? Or is it just not coming off? Oop, don't smash the brick. No, it doesn't seem concrete, does it? Let me try.
While David is destroying the wall, I'm gonna do something else before the rain comes. or before all those rainy days come. I already like this one as you saw previous time, and now I need to like the bottom, which I didn't do because I didn't want to be like that underneath. And so David's gonna turn it with me, and I'm gonna like the bottom. It should be very fast because I only need to like the inside and the bottom of that circle. So let's go.
Bottom does not look that good.
No.
Okay.
Okay.
Still needs lacking.
While I'm waiting for the primer to dry on the table, I'm gonna use this time into the walls that I have left. I think it's okay. I don't want it to... Just holding the button. David's gonna see if it's okay. Or... Okay, that will fly away. So I'm gonna do the walls. I literally have that much left. I already did underneath the window, so it's that left. I'm happy. And the top there. And the top's there. But that's not that bad.
I will do those.
So let's get started and do the walls.
He's moving.
We want to take this brick out to see what's behind this arc thing. Because we think there should be like another wall, like a double wall behind it.
Well, whatever it is, this is not gonna. No, we cannot leave it like this.
Oh.
Look at this.
Oh yeah.
So we need
Move
to
it again because I wasn't filming.
I can't anymore. This brick went away.
Was moving this whole thing there was moving, all of that inside.
The brick is falling in. It's empty inside. Oh, that's a big gap. Look at my table in it. Look how much it goes.
Put your finger in, like put your hand.
That's how deep it is. Till it hits the next brick.
Cool.
Is this a secret hot wall in there?
Because we want to open this one and make like a small office table or like a small
we don't
table.
wanna hide this cool art.
Yeah.
This is the old chimney that you can.
We want to
walk
clean
into.
it up so you can see it better. So that's
I'm
our
fucking
idea.
wrong with the wall here. Why not just to take the bricks out?
Yeah. Because look at poor David. He was like, well, you see the white and the oh shit, I didn't see that coming. Okay, well, our plans today are like messed up fully.
Well, there's ventilation in there.
Yeah? Okay, let me go away. What are you doing? You're not scared to put your hand in there?
No, I can see
Oopsie.
what I'm doing.
Oh. Something fell behind, no?
Yeah, it's falling some bricks in there. But
But the arc is not breaking.
no, I hope the arc doesn't break.
It is not moving.
The arc is not supposed to move. It collapses on its own. Like keeps itself pressurized.
Who's gonna clean the back of that?
We need to go all the way to the floor.
I guess.
I need this picture.
What are we doing again? Can I see?
AC! AC! Oh, look. Here's the old burning marks. Holy damn, that's cool.
Let me see if I can.
That's some awful brickwork, I must say. Oh, we can fix that. It's not the problem.
Careful your feet. You don't even wear shoes.
Let's be light. This whole thing is black. Like, perfectly made.
It looks so cool. I love it.
Yeah, good idea?
I love it.
I don't know how deep it goes.
What do you mean?
Oh, well, it goes all the way. Because it's like different layers of cement. I don't know what the fuck have they done here.
I love it.
The whole thing is moving.
Oh yeah, I see. Come on, you can do it. Go, 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 go! What is that?
That's an art exhibition.
David got an upgrade. Again, his friend.
Small hammer.
Yeah, go. Nice.
A lot of these bricks are not going to be reusable, but
It's
they're
okay.
not coming off.
They're not.
Oh! Holy sh!
What?
There's part 2.
What is
We
that?
cannot use the hammer. There's another chimney, small one.
Oh.
I cannot use the hammer, I'll break it.
What is there?
Like a...
Micro chimney?
a
A
how do you call
smaller.
that? Either like a... Yeah, like it could be like a fireplace.
Why would you hide that with cement?
Like people don't
Why
care
would
about
you
the
like
beauty.
close all of that, make that into one wall?
It's falling apart, that's the thing. Because all this brick was falling on it all these years. All this rubble and stuff. The wall's moving, I like that. Should wear steel caps.
Woo, I see it! Oh my god, so cute!
Look, it's falling apart.
Okay, a lot.
How to sell a house for cheap? Hide all its beauty, destroy all its beauty, sell it for cheap.
And then we come.
Buy it
Reveal
for
all the beauty, reveal all the history, and sell it for 5 times the price. No, joking, we're
5
not.
times.
6, 10, 20. No,
6 times the price. It's
no. Yeah, it's compared to what you bought it for. Yeah.
Grazie, mucho.
I thought you said the other way around.
Fame, Grigora.
But what's wrong with your ribs? What did you do there? Someone slapped you with black hands. Oh. Jungle.
Yaha, 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 yaha. Did I do it?
Yes. No, don't put in your face.
Yaha,
No.
yaha, 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 yaha. Is it good?
What the?
His finger out of paint.
What are you doing?
Yaha, yaha, yaha. They call me the Red Lion.
The black lion, but sure.
I have red blood inside. Yaha, yaha, yaha.
Go.
I'm falling in love every brick I go. Oh.
Is there gonna be a smaller underneath? Like a babushka?
That is so cute! Why filming me? It's the hole that needs to be filmed.
You are also a masterpiece.
Tired.
Go.
Let me put it to the sharp side this time.
Why? You're making it different?
Good.
So we decided that we're not that much in love with a small arc. It's a bit sideways, and it's like blocking, and it's not holding on probably. I think.
Ah! Yeah, it is moving. Should I make it fall?
I don't know.
Hmm?
But actually, like this small arc, I don't know, lose like the whole nice big thing.
Well, we can see how it looks without.
But
we
then-
will not be able to go back.
Put it back in,
Ready?
I guess.
Sad.
Yeah, well, it's not holding on anything really. If you can drop it with your one hand.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that does look better.
Like now you can put the desk in there with like two like nice lamps hanging down,
On the sides, maybe.
or like coming out from the sides. I don't know.
No. Let's take all the bricks
Yeah,
away.
I mean if you could take it with your hand off,
It
it's
was
not
the
that.
best arc.
Huh?
It was not the best arc. I don't know who designed it.
No, it looks like the parents did the top and the kid did the bottom to show off that he can also do it. I don't know, but yeah.
It was much more newer built, so I think someone was trying to make like a nice chimney or something.
Mm,
A nice
failed.
fireplace.
So we're ready to go to the lake, and David insists.
We have to go to the shop first.
Yeah, that's what. Come here. Where are you going? And David insists that he can go like that.
I want to wash it in the lake. I'm not wasting water in here.
Okay, sure.
So, let's go.
Yeah, let's go. As you can see, we came back from the lake. It was very nice, but not as warm as David was selling it to me. It's actually pretty cold, or we were really warm outside because we were sweating and it was so hot outside. We actually went in 2 times. The second time felt colder. But it was very nice. We didn't film it because, you know, it was the first time going there. We didn't want to have the camera out. It was a lot of people. So we just enjoyed it and cleaned ourselves. David does not have that face anymore. He's pretty clean. And we're gonna eat our ice cream now. Again, a Viva, Super Viva, but this time a blue cocktail. I'm selling my ice cream, it's pretty good. It's very nice. We ate it previous time. We actually tried it on one of the videos we did like roughly a year ago, more. So we're gonna eat it and enjoy, and then go our daily walk with a goat and end the day like that. We don't have much, but that's a lot we have, and it's so good. We actually spent only 1 hour at the lake because we thought, why just sit there? It's loud, a lot of people around. We have the same thing and even bigger here. So we decided to leave straight away, like went out, left, and came here to eat our ice cream. Because here it's also pretty nice and peaceful and no one's bothering you. So hope you enjoyed, and we're gonna see you next time. Ah, that feels good. And the water actually was not that dirty in the lake. It was pretty good. We don't smell bad. Very nice. Let's eat.